Hello everyone, myself Satya Prasad. I am from CSCB. My topic is skeletal system model for osteoporosis treatment. Skeletal system model for treatment. This presentation explores current and emerging skeletal system model utilized in osteoporosis treatment. By examining these models, medical professionals can better understand bone biology, diseases progression, and therapeutic intervention outcomes. In vitro models of bone tissue, 3D bone cell cultures and scaffold-based system simulates the bone microenvironment to study osteoblast and osteoclast function under osteoporotic condition. Advanced bioreactor supports dynamic cultural conditions affecting psychological loading, improving the relevance of these models to human bone remodeling dynamics. Animal models for osteoporosis research. Overreactomized rodent and Sinensis accelerators might provide valuable in vivo contexts for evaluating osteoporosis, progressing, and therapeutic intervention. Computational modeling in osteoporosis. Computational modeling incorporates patient specific imaging data in simulate bone remodeling, biomechanics, and fracture risk. Finite element analysis evaluates bone strength and predicts future susceptibility under various loading conditions. Organs on chip models for bone tissue. Organs on chip model microfluidic device recreates bone tissue microenvironments incorporating cellular interaction, fluid flow, and mechanical stimuli. Such platforms provide a novel preclinical tool for drug screening and mechanistic study at high psychological relevance. Micro CT imaging in skeletal models. Critical for high resolution analysis of bone microarchitectures in both preclinical and clinical skeletal models. Integration of micro CT with histological and micromechanical assessments enhance validation of treatment effectiveness. Advance in human skeletal explant model. Human bone explant for osteoporotic donors allow ex vivo study of native bone matrix, cellular activity, and drug effects in a 3D environment. Future directions and clinical implementation. Integrating multi-scale skeletal models from molecular to whole bone level with patient specific data can revolutionize osteoporosis treatment. Emerging technologies like machine learning, predictive models, and biofabricated bone constructs show promises for personalized medicine. Continued refinement and validation are essential for these models to effectively guide clinical decision, improve fracture risk assessment, and enhance therapeutic strategies. Multi-scale integration, personalized medicine, biofabrication, AI, and prediction